to draw for.
It'll mail different if
Okay. It was candy. But you see, I thought I would've.
Hey, I did pretty good. Hey, 30-29 on my second game with controller. I'm doing pretty good, no?
Alright, what do you like? Alright, what? Alright, so
Come on. Y'all know you gotta wait. Y'all know. Shut the fuck up!